Okay, we're going to start this one now because I am going to make this somewhat fast. Um, but, so, let's begin. For those of you guys who are new, my name is Kyler FBI, and I am one of the owners of Highborn Trading, and what this is this is Sunday Stock Talk. So basically what this is it's me going over, looking over the market, seeing how we're doing, because futures open up at 3 p.m. or 6 p.m. Eastern Time. So what I like to do is I like to look at futures and kind of see overall what the market movement is and what I think could happen for the rest of the week. And so for right now, we're looking at ES here. And we can see here that ES had a really nice gap up. At open here, we're up 1.4%, 1.04%, sorry guys. We're back into this important gray zone here. This was a great relief bounce that we had here. This was great. Like, this was insane to see. This was perfect. Clear supports through these zones. Now we're going back up here. I did expect this to happen. I was talking to a few of our members about this on Friday. So some of our members probably caught this move. Now that we are in this gray zone here, I am going to be looking for it to be our main zone to pay attention to, because this gray zone right here sits in between here and here. So it's an important spot between these levels here, because this is where volume is most important at. Right now, on the short-term scale of, on the short-term scale of things, looking out, short-term outlook, sorry, that's what I was looking for. On the short-term outlook, we have a break above 39.46, 39.47 is what we need to look for. We need to look for a break above there in order for us to continue upwards to see 39.62 before seeing 39.77. I do think if we do happen to see 39.77 here, guys, we're just going to break on upwards again. Like, we're going to break through this pretty fast, in my opinion, to see roughly 3990 to 4000 again. But 4000 would be our major key level to look for here. And then after 4000, we'll be looking for 4030 as always. We have that. Any failure, anything below this gray zone here of 3933.5, let's look for this to push downwards to 3926. And if this breaks 3921, 392, look for this to fall all the way back down to roughly 3903 to 3900. But if this breaks 3900 again, guys, this is coming right back down to here at 3856 to 3841. And guys, if this breaks to form new lows this week, if we break downwards even farther, I mean, like, look at this. It just gets ugly. If we break down below this point here, I mean, the next major key level I have would be the low here of 3808, and then anything below here, we could even see 3725 again, guys. We would have to be insanely careful for that, though. If we ever saw if we ever see this 3725, that's going to be very scary. Because that's our next major level to look for here. What else did I want to... So we have that going on. For the week, I'd say... Here, let's see here. Let's actually look at this. We've had imbalance, green, neutral, neutral, red, 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 neutral, 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 green, neutral, neutral. This will... I'd be looking for a retest of at least 40.14 for this week, potentially. If we break above 4,000, we could see 40.14, 40.15. Oh yeah, that is true. Powell, yeah, I'm pretty sure Powell does speak. Let's see. Nope. He speaks Tuesday. via pre-recorded video at the National Center of American Enterprise. He's giving a speech Tuesday. Okay, so Tuesday he speaks. This is going to be important right here. The FOMC minutes. So no one. So what he's going to say on Tuesday isn't going to affect anything much. What's going to affect stuff is the FOMC minutes that we're going to have. Yeah. Yeah. So Wednesday. So he's speaking at an event that doesn't mean much. Wednesday, however, is the FOMC minutes meeting. So actually, that'll play a big part. With us moving upwards right now, like we are, we could be expecting a good FOMC minutes meeting. If all goes well, this could get back above 4,000. If anything new is said or anything unheard of that could surprise us, this could easily break right back downwards to lows. I'm not saying it could form new lows. I mean, it definitely could form new lows actually. New lows is definitely doable if any surprise occurs during the FOMC minutes meeting. I think we'll see a slight push upwards beforehand though. And then on Wednesday will be the determining factor for everything. Let's see here. What else did I want to look at? Oh yeah, Target. So, we played Target. For those of you guys who were with me on that one, we played Target. It worked out really well. If you had 10 contracts, you would have netted about 600 bucks on this on Friday. So, we had Target 155s. We had a spread on that one. What I'm looking for now on Target is for this to kind of hold here. I want this to hold. Because if this can hold and get back, this can hold and get right back above 160 again. This can see 163 before seeing 167.67. I mean, if that breaks with volume, though, if this can break with volume, we should get a gap fill. We should get a gap fill before our read. So we should get a fill back upwards to 184.36. And then if we came back above that one, then we should see a fill upwards to 211. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen this week. That's going to probably take some time to occur. But what I am looking for this week is a move above 160 for a move to 163.30. If this does break below 152.8, I will be looking for 150.89 and then new lows of 150 and then lower. That's what I have for Target. What else was something that I wanted to look at? HD. HD is another stock, another very good stock to look at. So we have this here. We have some nice support forming here. This is what I was looking at. We're holding that 280 really well. This 280 is holding really nicely. We're retouching this GP level of here at 287.87. So if we can break above this and then hold it, so I would look for a break above this level and then for us to retest it before making a move back upwards again. So if we get that retest bounce off the 618 level here, I would look to be in a long to 289.74, and if it can break 289.74, look for 219.4 before seeing 292.5. If this can't do that and this just breaks below the 618 level, just kind of ignore Home Depot at that point. What was something else that I wanted to look at? What was another? Oh yeah, AMD. Let me pull up AMD for you guys. So, AMD is another stock that I've been looking at. It bounced brought up this 82, 81 level on the dot. I have been talking about this level for so long, guys. This 83, 81 level, I've been talking about it for so long. You can look back in every single stock talk that AMD was mentioned in. I was talking about this 83.81 to 74.83 level for so long. And it finally hit. So, now that this finally hit, we finally got our consolidation needed. If this can hold above 90 here, that'd be nice to see, because then it would be holding this consolidation zone that we have between here and here. So we can get a hold above 90 here and a push back above 95.3. Look for this to move back upwards to potentially 98.3 before seeing 100 again. If this breaks below 90, however, look for a retest of 86.65 before seeing 83.81 and then 74.83 again for new lows. Other than that, though, that's all I have for this. Like I said, it was going to be a quick one. I have to go somewhere, and it's like a 45-minute drive away, so I have to be there by 6:30. So I gotta leave soon. But anyways, that is Sunday Stock Talk. Yeah, I don't have much for you guys. I'm sorry about that. I don't have any more. But otherwise, I'd be looking for basically a cool off this week. That's what I'd be looking for in SPY, is some sort of cool off to happen. But if we don't get that cool off, then just expect this to continue downwards. But yeah, other than that, guys, I am out of here. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And yeah, I'll see everyone tomorrow. Let's get it.